Who's coming with me? Who is coming with me as we drive off into the sunset of financial freedom? What's up, folks? Beach Office 365, bringing you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and passive income. All right, folks. So first, real quick, shout out to Crypto Kings. If you don't know who that is, it's a YouTuber. Definitely go check out his channel. This is a 21-year-old kid who's a millionaire because of Drip. And he does a lot of great things for the Drip community. He's constantly putting out positive content about Drip. I appreciate his insights and you know, something that I was watching his thing today that he brought up that I guess I had missed in this recent AMA that Forex was on, that apparently, you know, Forex was saying that in the very beginning, Drip's coming up on 1 year, it's 1 year birthday, and in the very beginning during pre-sale there was like 100 people that dropped like 30 to 40 grand on the pre-sale, right? When it, you know, so it launched at like $3, right? So these people, you know, obviously have become huge whales in the Drip ecosystem, and they're reaching max payout. And so basically, like, a lot of the selling pressure we're seeing is because of these wallets hitting max payout. We've known that, we've kind of covered that, right? But what he was also saying that was interesting is that they're coming to, you know, these whales are coming, you know, to an end of max payout. And because right now the price seems to be holding right at 30, like even with all this massive selling pressure, another reason to be bullish, by the way, even with all this massive selling pressure, right? Just people dumping, you know what I mean? Thousands and thousands. It is not able to go below 30. It's tried 2 different times and it hasn't been able to do it. So, I mean, it may go below there, you know, but I'm just saying that it's been holding up well. And with all the stuff that's going to be coming out next week, there's a chance that, you know, we have found a bottom. But what he was saying is that new people coming into the system, it's going to be a lot harder to reach max payout, right? Because if the floor price is at 30, like you would have to put an enormous amount of money in, or be, you know, an incredibly talented you know, marketer and team builder, right? Because so the benefit to that is that we're not going to see these huge wallets that have the potential to start, you know, just dumping. So I thought that was really interesting and something that you know, I hadn't thought of. I mean, I do think that whales that are getting close to max payout, what they're doing is that they're not selling their Drip. A lot of them are starting to airdrop their Drip into new wallets that they're creating, right? That's one of the great things about this whole ecosystem, is that people that have gotten in, that have seen how clearly how well this thing works, you know, they're wanting to go for round 2 and round 3. And so anyway, I thought that was super cool. So shout out to Crypto Kings. Definitely go check out his channel, show some love, support. And the other thing is, who's coming with me, guys? Like, I had another person that entered my team. I got 4. I'm looking for that 5th. Send out a nice little prize to everyone, you know, at least 1 Drip and whatever's left over extra, but it's for the first 5 that come in. So if you haven't gotten into Drip yet and you want to get in, I'll leave instructions down below on how to do it. You will need a buddy referral. I would love it if you use mine, and you're going to get an airdrop ASAP. I'll likely be sending something out tomorrow, assuming that I get the 5th person in today. So come join my team. If you have any questions about how to do it, how to set it up, let me know. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not an expert. Please do your own research. And if you got anything from this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing, any questions you have, and catch you guys on the next one.